when it comes to the coronavirus pandemic, the road to reopening could be hitting a roadblock. There are now concerns the virus could be spreading north again, including to New Jersey.
CBS 2's John Diaz joins us now live in Hoboken with more. John, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Dick and Mary. And after weeks of seeing a decrease here in New Jersey when it comes to coronavirus cases, they are now seeing an uptick. In just 4 days, the Garden State reported thousands of new infections. In the Garden State, COVID-19 numbers are starting to go back up, and Governor Phil Murphy believes large parties taking place without regard for social distancing is the reason for it.
But this is no time for anyone to be vying for induction into the Knucklehead Hall of Fame.
Within the last 4 days, more than 2,000 cases have been added to the state's coronavirus list. 125 of those cases reportedly from gatherings where people between the ages of 18 to 29 years old were crowded together.
You got to cut that down.
But not everyone is doing that, even across the country. An internal FEMA memo revealing that while cases nationwide decreased slightly over the past week, the number of deaths jumped 30% during the same time period. It's causing Murphy to put his foot down on certain phases of reopening. That's not what this restaurant manager wants to hear. He's been looking forward to inviting his diners back into Salt's, a seafood and oyster bar in New Brunswick, but the latest uptick is delaying that.
It's definitely a blow. We're being asked to reinvent the wheel, and, we're not really sure how much longer all the restaurants can really, take this.
While he's hoping to fully open soon, 3 lawmakers introduced a bill requiring the upcoming school year to begin with all remote learning.
Obviously, the clock is ticking here for the school year, so we'll be talking about it a lot.
But with nearly 500 new cases reported yesterday, adding to the state's total of more than 180,000, there are many concerns, and the continued spread of the virus is still the main one.
If we all do our part, then the sooner the better, right? Then we'll all get back to normal, or whatever that's going to be.
And now local leaders are continuing to advise everyone to continue to wear your face masks and practice social distancing, saying that they understand that it could be challenging at times and sometimes even annoying, but it's worth it. We're live this morning in Hoboken, New Jersey. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.